Brown Mokgotsi speaks out against Fikile Mbalula and implicates Fikile Mbalula's wife in corruption scandal. Let us listen to this clip.
So I'm saying that the same applies to his wife in Free State. She was involved in a housing scandal where Fikile is a direct beneficiary because his husband. Do we have to say, no, you can't be a Secretary General because now your wife is implicated? He's using the
This
name
comes
Brown
after
Mokgotsi
Fikile Mbalula had gone out public. Fikile Mbalula, who's the current ANC Secretary General, has gone out publicly to denounce the Brown Mokgotsi's ANC membership. Fikile Mbalula saying that Brown Mokgotsi is no longer an ANC member, meaning he's not an ANC member because according to Fikile Mbalula, Brown Mokgotsi's membership has expired. But we know that Brown Mokgotsi has come out and hit back at Fikile Mbalula and even say that his membership of the ANC, it is only expiring at the end of this month, which is October. Okay? But the much more bigger issue that Brown Mokgotsi has brought to the spotlight, it is the corruption scandal involving Fikile Mbalula's wife. Meaning Fikile Mbalula becomes a direct beneficiary of that corruption scandal by virtue of him being married to his wife. This tells you that Fikile Mbalula ought to be careful. We all know that thinking, here I'm talking about critical thinking, and of course intellect, it's not one of Mbalula's strongest points. Okay? He's not intellectually gifted. That is Fikile Mbalula. He sometimes shoots from the hip. And the consequences of shooting from the hip, it is that sometimes he opens himself up for much bigger damage by those he's attacking. You can tell that Brown Mokgotsi has files on Fikile Mbalula. And he points to the fact that Fikile Mbalula, when denouncing Brown Mokgotsi's ANC membership, spoke about dodgy and corrupt characters. That the time for dodgy characters to be associated with the ANC, that time is over. So Brown Mokgotsi is pointing to the fact that, but you yourself, Fikile Mbalula, your wife is implicated in a corruption scandal, which makes you a direct beneficiary of that corruption scandal. That is not even to talk about the lavish lifestyle that Fikile Mbalula lives, which we know that is not out of his own pocket, but it's because of those who fund him. And of course, those who fund him, they fund him with the intention of controlling him so they can get the political favors from him and the ANC as a whole. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Tibus Kosana. The name of the platform is Izwi Labansundu, the voice for Africans. Thank you very much.